Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start a cotton program in Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to rotate this knob to the cotton right here. Then next thing is to adjust the drying level, and there's a few different options. First one is iron dry, then there's a cupboard dry plus, and extra dry. Next option allows you to enable or disable light inside the tank. Next is the alarm sound that you can activate, and then when the program is finished it will start the alarm. Next is lower temperature, and next is timed program, which is not available for this program, and last one allows you to plan when this program should begin. So we can delay it, for example, for 13 hours, and when you start it right here, it will begin in 13 hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.